So we just left our apartment and today is the last day in beautiful Vienna. We're gonna go to Stephens Platz. It's the longest shopping plaza area in all of Vienna, and smack dab in the middle of the plaza is St. Stephens Cathedral. So we're gonna go and check out that cathedral, and also I believe that there is an elevator that you can go up and see beautiful views of the city. So, is that the Opera House there?
Isn't this the Opera House?
Okay, okay.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, it doesn't matter. We can go to the Opera House first. That makes sense. We're gonna head over there to check out the Opera House. So Vienna is a city with rich culture, the art, the architecture, the music is all around. I mean, we can't walk. We can't walk for, I don't even know, for like 10 steps without seeing something beautiful that we want to take pictures of. So I think that this is the entrance to the Opera House, and we're hoping just to go in, not to see a show or anything, but to just explore the Opera House if we're allowed. Hello.
Hi.
Are we allowed to go in and...
You can make guided tour. It will be open in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Costs €9.
The Vienna State Opera House was built in 1869 and is one of the most famous opera houses in the world. You can never tell that this building was devastated during World War II and had to undergo major restoration in the 1950s. Today, the Opera House has over 300 performances every year. It was really cool to sit in on the orchestra while they were rehearsing. They also sell standing room only tickets for €2 to €4 that you can buy 80 minutes before each performance. And we even got to go backstage. It also has an opera school for children between the ages of 8 and 14, which shows the importance of the arts in this city. So we just finished our tour of the Vienna Opera House, and it was a fantastic tour, well worth the money, well worth the €9. Now we are on Stephens Platz, and this is the main shopping area here in downtown Vienna. We're going to St. Stephens Cathedral, but on the way we're just checking out all the beautiful shops. It is Sunday, so a lot of the shops are closed, unfortunately, but some are open. Malkai was looking for one in particular. Have you seen it yet, Kai? Okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to get some chocolate to go home. Mozart everywhere. Aida, that cafe over there, is one of the most famous cafes in Vienna. They serve typical or traditional Viennese pastries, great coffee. We haven't been able to get there yet, but hopefully tonight we'll do that. As you can see, it's bustling with people. It must be popular because it's really busy. And here it is, beautiful St. Stephen's Church, right in the heart of the city. How beautiful is that? So we're here at St. Stephen's Church, one of the most famous churches in Vienna. If you get lost in Vienna, just look for the steeple of St. Stephen's Church and it'll direct you right downtown. So this church is very famous because it's the oldest church in Vienna. I believe it was built in like 1161, so it's over 1,000 years old. And Mozart actually got married in this church, and 2 of his kids were baptized in this church. So it has a ton of history. It is beautiful. We saw an opera here last night, and we're gonna go in today and see if we can go up to the top floor and check out the views from up there. unfortunately, where the seats are, it's closed. This is where we were last night for the concert, and it was fantastic. So I'm glad that we were actually here last night, so we could have been a little closer to the altar area. But they have concerts here. They have performances, and so it's a real, they have mass on Sundays as well. So they use the church quite often, and it's spectacular. So here we are on top of the world. We're on top of the cathedral, actually. Pretty cool up here. It doesn't matter where Keenan is, he wants to be playing his tablet. Hey, Keenan? Yeah. You having fun? Yes? You can see the whole city from here. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is the Smith family saying happy travels.